The rule is you identify a problem, get an idea of who has it, come up with a solution, create a product, service, distribute it, market it, get customers, retain customers, get recommendations, get profits.
How to start a business. Identify a challenge, then identify who needs it. Package it and give them. Do it for a fee though. Try to keep it legal. Study what they want, what's appealing to the ego. Focus on the people, that is where the trend is. Use the peer pressure cause they follow where they friends is. Make a simple logo like the Nikes and the Benzes. Keep it short and simple, we'll remember what your brand is. Give your name a cause and we'll remember where your stand is. Don't forget the hunks, beauty models and the candy. Always have a plan B, planning what you can be. Nobody got rights to tell you who you can or can't be. I was with my mentors, talking about finances, trying to find answers on how we gon' finance us. Grow into a nation, then we gonna do a census. I know you couldn't censors, came from up under, now it's hard for you to censor us, so just fund us. Do it for the profits, risky for the cautious. Counted many losses when I did it with the tortoise. Before I ever thought this, now I'm checking all the boxes. Now I'm calculated, immune, and vaccinated. The mailing lists I operate are getting populated. I once was often hated, now I'm loved cause people even stop to rate it. Learned the game and how to operate it like a Sejion. You catch me on the radio, already gone. Gladly flown to every zone you ever check to get the throne. My business acumen, no argument, it's what I'm juggling. I come and shock you and knock you when it's time to document my opulence. All my strategies, I cut the keys, unlock and got the cheese. All my operatives, they know the need to get the properties. All my corporate G's say I'm Elon meeting Socrates. When we talk at ease, I show him where to get and pocket it. Legally and easily, deliberate deliveries, it's wizardry. How this paper comes and knocks your misery. Wizardry like sorcerers, I triangles that are different, not isosceles. Yet I found the right angle. Like Pythagoras, steady trying to figure lines that are opposite, whilst adjusting the adjacent and hypotenuse. Pay lobola just to tell you that I bought a muse. Bought a muse hung under trees, it's like I got a noose. And I'm talking the cash, got a golden goose. My homies felt it was quits before I told them push. The news is gossip for profit, that's why they got the scoop. If they can do this for money, it means there's no excuse. Comedians funny for money, now that's a wealth of truth. So if you trying to run this on me, I got a clue. If you trying to harness hundreds, I got them too. Correcting mistakes, money got auto-tune. But it's the things on the daily you know you gotta do. I got the influence, hands up like I got a flu. Not the real influenza, just the gospel truth.